Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can force reconcile books in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, under the Tools section, select Reconcile. This will open the reconciliation screen where you'll choose the bank or credit card account you want to work with. After that, enter the statement ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on your bank statement. QuickBooks will now display a list of your recorded transactions. Normally, you would match these one by one with your bank statement, but since we're forcing reconciliation, you'll move to the next step. Then, look at the bottom of the screen where QuickBooks shows the difference between your statement balance and your QuickBooks balance. If you can't get this difference down to zero, click on Finish Now or Reconcile Anyway. QuickBooks will warn you that the account does not reconcile, but it will still allow you to force it through. Finally, once you confirm, QuickBooks will create a reconciliation discrepancy entry to adjust the books automatically. This allows you to move forward even if there are mismatches. Keep in mind, though, that forcing reconciliation should only be used as a last resort, since it may hide underlying issues in your records. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.